I'm gonna show you something really cool I got from my shop. So I'm a welder, and needless to say, wear eye protection a lot. And these things get pretty nasty, gunky between sweat and metal dust, rust, and everything else. I clean them, but it gets all up into the crevices and stuff. So I got this little ultrasonic cleaner off Amazon. I think it ran about 50 or 60 bucks. It says K-E Kolke, or Kolke, however you say it. So it works great. Let me show you. Set the time. This is in seconds. We're gonna do 380 seconds. Fits about a pair of glasses in there. Drop her down, turn it on. And it's running, starts counting down. And let's see how they come out. All right, it's wrapping up. There we go. First off, water's pretty nasty. But take these out. Shake them off for a second, take a look. Nice and clean. Got a whole bunch of that stuff loose. Do a wipe down real quick, take one more look. So final look, up in those little cracks and crevices, it got almost all of it out. And I just barely wiped it right now. One more good cleaning and they're basically brand new. And I double checked, it was $36 on Amazon. So handy little tool for the shop.